This is a lamp that I've made. It's based around an IKEA Gronig diffused glass lampshade and a 10 watt RGB LED, which is hidden under this diffuser here. Now the LED is controlled by a microcontroller, which is you can see in the centre of this board here, and then up to that microcontroller we've got connected a triple axis accelerometer, which you can see in the top left hand corner there, connected over the R2C bus, and we've got three switching drivers which are used to control the different channels of the RGB LED. In the bottom right hand corner you can just see a 5 volt regulator, which is used to power the electronics, and then directly connected to the switching converters we've got about 16 volts coming through the power connection in the bottom right. So this module just slots into the lampshade like this, and the modes of the lamp, it has various modes that are controlled by this small switch from the side. So the first mode we see here, we just have an ordinary white lamp. However, the nice thing about this mode is that you can actually choose the colour temperature of the lamp, and you do this by picking the lamp up and rotating it around an arc. So you can fade between like a very low colour temperature, yellowy colour, to a very high colour temperature like an intense clinical blue light. So once you're happy with your chosen colour temperature, you put the lamp back down again, and it will remain this colour indefinitely. In fact, it's actually saved in the EEPROM of the microcontroller, so when you next turn it on, this colour will be retrieved. So the second mode that we have is a colour mixing mode. Now this uses a similar principle to before, so we pick the lamp up and we move it around an arc, and this time we're mixing two different colours together to create a third. So you can see that by rotating the lamp around in this arc, we've got a whole spectrum of different colours. So once you're happy with the colour, say for example you want a nice red, you just put the lamp back down again as before, and it will remain so like this indefinitely. In fact, it's pretty stable. You can hammer the table, you can knock the lamp, and the colour won't change. So the next mode that we have is a candle simulation. Now in this mode we have a Gaussian distribution of brightness values, and the lamp cycles between these brightness values randomly, and the time which it fades between the different brightnesses is also chosen randomly from a Gaussian distribution. So this looks somewhat like a candle. It's open to interpretation, but I think it's reasonable. So the next mode that we have is just a conventional colour fading sequence that you see very commonly on the internet. So we're just fading between various colours, using only two colours at a time to create the third. Okay, so the next mode that we have is just a simple random fade between different colours. So this time we've got 3 different colours being used simultaneously, and the lamp is just picking 3 random RGB values and fading between them. And then finally you turn the lamp off by pressing the button.